Hello, my name is Zhengnan Li. Today I would like to introduce some knowledge about car with my partner Sunghyun Lee.
Nowadays, private cars have become an indispensable means of transport. I think when you are driving, you must have been met more or less troubles, such as blowout attic. And if you want to invite a professional repair master, you need to wait a long time. So today I would like to share some knowledge with you how to change the tire by yourself. Then let's welcome repair technician Sunghyun Lee to introduce the concrete steps.
Hello, my name is Sunghyun Lee. Tire is easily damaged parts. Flat tire is inevitable problem in daily life. I would like to introduce how to replace spare tire. Usually every car has spare tires and bodies on tools. Take them out firstly and then turn the screw down. Second, check off the car and pay attention that the height should appropriate. Third, take the old tire down. Fourth, put the spare tires on. Fifth, turn the screw till it is tight now. Finally, take the old tire and body tools and put them in top of your car. A spare tire is changed like this. Everybody, thank you. A spare tire is changed like this. Everybody, thank you.